how to add Etsy reviews to Shopify. So the first step is to click on Add Apps, and then you're gonna have to scroll down and click on Shopify App Store. Now here you're gonna have to search for Etsy reviews, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply look for this one here, as you can see from Reputon. So simply click on install. Now here you're gonna have to click on install. And basically the next step is to simply create the account here. So as you can see, we need to enter our Etsy seller ID. And then you can simply import product reviews from Etsy. So click on import, and then you can simply enter the Etsy product URL. So let me pick a random one. So I'm gonna go with this one here. So I'm gonna copy this product link and then click on import. And we're gonna have to simply wait until this loads up. And basically that's all you have to do in order to import Etsy reviews. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.